Okay, here's a tour of Cozy Woodpecker Cottage. This is actually the owner's house. It looks almost exactly like the cottage, you'll see in a minute. But there's this gate with a woodpecker on it, which is adorable. This is where you park. There's a parking spot for 2 people. Come on, Charlie, let's go. Here's the gate with a cute little sign on it. Come on in. And there's the cottage. Come on, Charlie, let's go. Come. Charlie's loving it because there's lots of places to frolic. Come now. Charlie, come. But he's been especially barky, which is annoying, but. So there's the cottage when you walk in from the gate. These are strawberries here and raspberries. So she picked me some strawberries. She said they'll ripen inside the house. Over there is bird feeder that looks just like the cottage, which is adorable. This is all their property, and it's all fenced off, so Charlie can run around. I don't have to worry about him going anywhere. And they have a dog named Dexter, which him and Charlie get along well, and he does not, can leave this door open, he does not come inside the house, unless I ask him to, which I don't really. Little woodpecker on the door. Here's the kitchen. It's really super cute. And there's a little area to take your shoes off here. I'll just check my shoes like that. So there's a little welcome board here with some local breakfast ingredients that they have, which they put in this adorable little basket. As well as local coffee. Duncan came and brought me some raspberries, and these are the strawberries that Emma picked when she was showing me where the strawberries are. She said they'll ripen inside the house. So, and then inside the fridge, there's local eggs and local organic milk and cream and yogurt. And that bag is fudge that I bought at the market. And when I looked to put stuff in the freezer, look at the ice cube trays. They're everything in here is so cute. There's Charlie just enjoying himself outside. So, that's the kitchen. This is the sitting area. I set my iPod speaker up because they have this CD player and they have CDs and stuff that you can play, but I just wanted to play my iPod. This is Charlie's bed. I brought it with me, so don't judge that. The table, and then the beautiful deck. There's a screen that has these magnets. Actually, it works quite well. See, it's keeping that. Oh, it's actually keeping that bug in. There, now it's out. Barbecue. There's this table that it looks like it folds up so that you can have more space. Some cute little lights up there. I'm going to see if I can turn those on later. If they turn on. These super comfy looking chairs over here. I did sit in one. I kind of slid down, so I might get my zero gravity chair later. Charlie's barking again. This is local art. Here's the bathroom with a deep, deep tub. And it's a nice looking bathroom. They've got Salt Spring Soap Works shampoo and conditioner, which is nice. And this is the blue room that I'm going to be staying in. That pillow is mine. The dirty looking red one. It's a cute room. Charlie likes it. A little decal on the wall here, and then over in this little corner, you can see the roof kind of slants down, is a place where you can hang your clothes, or if you're like me, you just put your suitcase there. And then the red room or the pink room, whatever you want to call it, looks like this. Very similar to the color of my room at home. I love those curtains. Looks out into the wilderness. Has this fancy thing here. Little window that I guess goes into the living area, but that's okay because it's really high. Big mirror, and then they have a little cubby space too. This is where Jordan and Christy are going to stay when they're here. And a place to keep your clothes if you're not lazy like me. That's the red room. There's all kinds of books that you can read and puzzles. And I think this is like a, looks like it might be broken, but a picnic basket. Oh look, mine has a window too, looking into the kitchen. These are flowers that they brought in from their garden that Emma grew. So that's pretty awesome. There's a dishwasher and an enormous, lovely sink. I wish I had both of those things at my house. Really, I just would like to live here. I think Charlie agrees. He'd like to live here too. We can walk around the property as much as we want. Apparently there's a pond at one end and a vegetable garden. I'm not sure who this is. And what else can I show you? I think that's about it. But it's a pretty nice place.